I'm Josh Zarin. I'm an actuarial consultant, and I've been an independent consultant since 2017. After about 4 to 5 years, I decided that I'd like to try and kickstart things. I've always been kind of reluctant to get help. And so, although I've thought about getting a business coach for a long time, it's something I never really pulled the trigger on. There's kind of a feeling that, oh, why can't I do this myself? This is something I should be able to learn on my own. When in reality, it's important to be able to recognize that you're not going to be able to do everything yourself. And that even just having a second set of eyes looking at things can be a great benefit. Then I decided to take things a little bit more seriously with the business and looked up if there was a business coach that was specific to independent consultants and found Melisa. Went to her website and looked at the website, liked what I saw. The first few weeks of coaching really helped me to establish these follow-ups on business development. And once that happened, the floodgates kind of opened. And so then things got very busy, and the things that I was more working on became more, okay, now that I have these assignments, how do I kind of continue to focus on the business while getting the work done? And I think that's a common problem that consultants have. And then at the same time, Melissa is bringing in tools that are both tools that are helping you with other consulting aspects that you might not have thought of in terms of developing your business model. There were specific points that we would address, and it would be different from week to week. Some of it was just in the business development process and really kind of breaking things down. There's a lot of rejection in independent consulting, and Melissa was good at kind of breaking things down into kind of playing the numbers game and mapping it out as far as, okay, if you want to achieve this, then you're going to need to take these steps. And this is how many people you're going to need to call. And this is, kind of how many conversations that you're going to need to have. And I think that was helpful in encouraging me to kind of follow my own natural persistence and not get discouraged if things didn't necessarily turn out. Just having a mindset that you're in control of this, and ultimately your business development is under your control. Before, I was doing a lot of the right things. Now kind of, all of the arrows are pointing in the same direction. And there's more of a plan and process to it. Now I have a more confident mindset that I can achieve growth and can control the destiny of the business and not just have it be, okay, well, maybe I'll get this, maybe I'll get that. I'll do things, but now I feel that it's more of a planned process. So one of the great things about Melissa is that she doesn't just talk. She walks the walk. It's that you can kind of see her doing the podcasts week after week and kind of serving as like a role model of things that a successful independent consultant does.